Welcome back to SCQ. Scores are Ardenne High on 3, Westwood High also on 3, as we head into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Westwood High, you won the toss, decided to go first, so it's time for your first minute. In the Bible, in the first chapter of Revelation, what did the 7 golden candlesticks represent?
Elders.
Sorry?
The elders.
No, the 7 churches. What is expelled from the human body in the process of micturition? Micturition.
Urine.
Correct. Which 7-letter adjective starting with P means easily bent?
P. No. Pass.
Pliable. Who is the Member of Parliament for West Rural St. Andrew in Jamaica?
West Rural. All right. Juliet Hollis.
Juliet Cuthbert. What is the only continent without snakes or reptiles?
Antarctica.
That's right. Which inorganic compound has the formula ZNO?
Zinc oxide.
Correct. If 3 to the 6th over 27 equals 3 to the x, then what is the value of x?
3.
Good. Who succeeded Neville Chamberlain as British Prime Minister in 1940? Sorry?
Winston Churchill.
That's right. What is the name for the spatial separation between 2 successive points with the same phase on a transverse standing wave?
Superposition.
Wavelength. What is the first person present tense of the Spanish verb escuchar?
Escucho.
Escucho is correct, and I believe it came before the bell. So well done, ladies, for your first minute. Ardenne High, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, in the first chapter of Revelation, what did the 7 stars represent?
Pass.
The angels of the churches. What is the name for the relationship between all the organisms on earth that have descended from a common ancestor?
So heredity.
No, phylogeny. Which 9-letter adjective starting with I means proceeding subtly with harmful effects?
You know it? Pass.
Insidious. Who is the Member of Parliament for Northwest St. Anne in Jamaica?
Northwest.
St. Anne, so Crystal Lee.
That's right. In which country is one of the world's largest extinct volcanoes, the Tweed volcano?
What country name say? So Indonesia.
Australia. Which inorganic compound has the formula open bracket NH4 close bracket 3 PO4?
Ammonium phosphate.
Good. If 9 raised to the power 4 all squared equals 3 to the x, then what is the value of x?
3 to the x. So 16.
Good. Who succeeded Gerald Ford as President of the United States?
Ronald Reagan.
Jimmy Carter. What process occurs when fast-moving molecules in a liquid escape and become vapor?
Vapor. So
So-
vaporization.
Evaporation. Evaporation. Well done, Ardenne, for your first minute. Westwood, coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. In what year was the MacBook Pro notebook computer introduced?
1999.
2006. Who is the Caribbean author of the novel 1 Year of Ugly?
Michael Anthony.
Carol Ann Mackenzie. What is the Jamaican term used when you kick the ball through another player's legs in football as well as a vegetable?
Salad.
That's right. In theatre, what word starting with A is the name for a section of the stage floor which projects towards or into the auditorium?
Pass.
That's an apron. Who is the Chief Executive Officer of NCB Capital Markets Limited?
CEO.
Patrick Hughes.
Stephen Gooden. What is the stage name of local artist Kareem Dawkins?
Pass.
QQ. In the Bible, on which mountain did Jotham deliver the parable of the trees?
Mount of Olives.
Mount Gerizim.
Right.
Solanum tuberosum is the scientific name for which root crop?
Root. Root one.
Tomato.
Potato. Spell obnoxious.
OBNOXIOUS.
Good. Dr. Peter Phillips is the Member of Parliament
East
for which...
Central, St. Andrew.
Good. What name is given to a person who collects coins for a hobby?
Numismatics.
That's right. What is the name for lines drawn on maps connecting places with the same average percentage of cloudiness? And you won't have time to give the answer to that, which is isonephs. Well done, ladies, for your second minute. Ardenne High, we're coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute here in the Speed Challenge. What is the first person present tense of the Spanish verb mirar?
Yeah, so me, ro.
That's right. In what year was the Chrome book released?
2012.
2011. Who is the Caribbean author of the novel Clap When You Land?
Somebody.
Ernest Hemingway.
No, Elizabeth Acevedo. What is the term used in Jamaica to describe someone as really unlucky? And it's also a flavoring for food.
Salt.
Good. Which colloquial term is used in theatre to wish someone good luck in a performance?
Recollect.
That's right. Who is the CEO of VM Wealth in Jamaica?
Pass.
Resworth Burchinson. What is the stage name of local recording artist Romario Ricketts?
Without.
Baby Jump.
La Lee Ranks. In the Bible, what is the other name for Mount Tabor? Tabor.
Pass.
Mount of Transfiguration. Solanum lycopersicum is the scientific name for which vegetable? Tomato. Spell collage.
Collage. So COLLAGE.
Good. Mark Golding is the Member of Parliament for which Jamaican...
Southern.
Sorry?
St. Andrew Southern.
Okay, what name is given? That's right. What name is given to a person who shoes horses?
So,
Pass.
Oh, and that's a farrier. Farrier. Well done, though, Ardenne, for your second minute there. Ladies of Westwood, coming back to you for your third and final minute. Which Jamaican group recorded the single Guava Jelly?
Group.
Pass.
Bob Marley and the Wailers. What is the household name for calcium hydroxide?
Slack lime.
Good. What is the square root of 35 to the nearest tenth?
10.
10. So it's a 1, 2, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 0.
No, 5.9. Who
No
plays
good,
the role
no
of
good.
Black Adam in the 2022 movie of the same
Dwayne Johnson.
name? Sorry?
Dwayne Johnson.
That's right. Which Egyptian prime minister signed a peace treaty with
Anwar
Israel
Sadat.
in 1978?
Anwar Sadat.
Good. Who holds the world record for the men's 400 meters in athletics?
400.
Wade Van Niekerk.
Good. What is the name for the ratio of stress to the strain
Tensile
produced?
stress.
Sorry?
Tensile stress.
Modulus of
not good.
elasticity. What does the Spanish verb fregar mean?
To fry.
No, to mop or to
Alright.
scrub. Who
Not
wrote
good.
the novel A Swarthy Boy?
Edgar Mitchell Holzer.
Good. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Every cave will have.
Imon Dopi.
Good. In the Bible, from which mountain did Jesus ascend into heaven after his
Mount of Olives.
resurrection? That's right. The PNS consists of the nerves that branch out from the brain and spinal cord in the body. What does PNS stand for?
Peripheral nervous system.
Peripheral nervous system came. Not sure if it was before the bell or not. Judges, that one is in your hands. Ardenne, coming back over to you now. Well done, ladies, for your third and final minute there. Ardenne, time for your third and final minute.
and there, go.
What is the name for lines drawn on maps connecting places of equal elevation?
So, contour.
Good. Which Jamaican artist recorded the single Money in My Pocket?
Pass.
Dennis Brown. What is the household name for sodium carbonate?
Sodium carbonate. So, baking soda.
Baking soda.
Washing soda. What is the square root of 70 to the nearest tenth?
10, 6, 7, so 8, 10, so 8.5.
8.4. Who plays the role of Ironheart in the 2020 movie Black Panther Wakanda Forever?
Pass.
Dominique Thorne. What was the name of the pair of political agreements signed by the Egyptian president and Israeli prime minister in 1978?
Pass.
Camp David Accords. Who holds the world record for the men's 110 meters hurdles in athletics?
Right. Andrew Bashman.
Aries Merritt. What is the name of the ratio of tangential stress to the shear strain produced
Bulk's
in a body?
modulus.
Sorry?
Bulk's modulus.
Modulus of rigidity. Judges, what does the Spanish verb barrer mean?
Pass.
To sweep. Who wrote the novel Ghosts in Our Blood?
Penelope Lively.
Jan Carew. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Every day devil help
Once
thief.
upon-
One
One
day
day
God
watchman.
What did you say?
One day God will help watchman.
Yes, that is indeed correct, and I believe that did come before the bell. Well done, Ardenne. That's the end of an exciting speed challenge. Scores in the match look to be Ardenne High on 12 points, Westwood High advancing to 20. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.